Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amanullah, your social studies teacher. Today we are going to end of our chapter 9, which is minerals and energy resources. Let's discuss what we have learned in previous lecture recap. We have studied in last lecture about mineral resources of South Asia. Then we have done exercise questions from notebooks. Today we are going to solve questions from worksheet. Objectives of today's lecture. Students will be able to give answer of short questions taken from worksheet and also able to fill in the blanks. Let's come on summary of chapter 9, minerals. Materials obtained from underground are called minerals. They are substances naturally present in the earth. They are both metallic and non-metallic, e.g. gold is a metal while salt is a non-metallic. Dear students, अभी हम सबसे पहले ऑयल के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. Pakistan's locations and its geological structures are similar to that of its neighboring oil-rich countries like Iran, the Gulf states, and Saudi Arabia. But so far, its oil reserves are very low in comparison. The search for oil, however, continue to meet its requirement. Pakistan must import oil. Why is important? How is it used? For transport to power automobiles, aeroplanes, ships, public transport for use in factories, farms, equipments, tractors, etc. You may add that many electricity generators also run on petrol or diesel. Oil obtained from the well is in the ground from, so it has to be processed the oil refineries, where it is turned into petroleum and other byproducts. नेक्स्ट बेटा हम डिस्कस करते हैं कोल के बारे में. Coal and iron ore are two very important minerals in the development of industry in the past as well as today. In countries with large coal deposits, Pakistan's coal fields are mainly in the western Balochistan and northwestern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa parts of the country. However, these do not produce high quality coal. The differences between high and low quality coal, low grade coal does not produce enough heat unless high grade imported coal is added. Secondly, it gives out sulfur gas and ash which pollute the air and also dangerous for the miners. Because of its poor quality, it cannot be used in factories, but is used in simple and industries. E.g., for example, brick making recently. High grade coal has been discovered in Thar Sindh but has yet to be developed. It is hoped that the future Thar coal will be used to generate electricity. इसके बाद है नेचुरल गैस. Many students will be well aware of the domestic use of gas in their kitchen and also for room heaters in winter. This is natural gas, popularly known as Sui gas because it is the first discovered in Sui, Balochistan. Pakistan is fortunate to have considerably large reserves of natural gas that is supplied to many main cities by pipelining and to distant places by gas cylinders. The reason why gas is more convenient to use the petroleums are it is the cheaper than petroleums. It is more convenient to handle as petroleum needs huge tankers for its transport while gas can be taken through pipelines. Natural gas is very valuable in for its industrial use. It is a raw material for the fertilizer industry. It's very important for agriculture. Raw material is something which is used or manufacture something else. For example, cotton is a raw material for making fabrics. Encouraged and a few more examples for raw material to give them a clear concept. Iron ore. In our daily life, utensils, pots and pans, tools, automobiles, bodies and engines, heavy machinery used in industries, etc. The most common and cheapest metal for all items is steel. It is used to make things from common pins, nuts, and bullets to car, truck, railway engines, and tracks, and much more. Iron is not found at block of metal, but it is obtained from rocks or earth, and therefore it is called an ore. Steel is made from iron ore by heating in the huge furnaces and adding some other chemicals. Non-metallic minerals. Pakistan has very large supplies of some of these. The hills of salt range in the Punjab have huge deposits of salt that are used in the chemical industry. There are large amounts of high quality marbles, mainly in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, much of which exported and also used locally in the constructions of mosques and other public buildings. There are vast amounts of limestones which is used for building and more Importantly, for making cement, there are huge deposits of fire clay, china clay for poetry, fuller's earth, and gypsums, which is used for many industries. There are small amounts of very high quality precious gems such as emeralds, rubies, topaz, and tourmalines found in the northern area, especially Swat. They are used in the local jewelry industry. Last में है mineral resources of South Asia. You have learned about the mineral resources of Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, and also rich in minerals in previous lesson. India has large coal reserves, the fourth largest in the world, along with natural gas and some oil. There are also fairly large reserves of iron ore, which is the basic requirement of for industry. Apart from these, India also has lead, zinc, copper, manganese, silver, gold, and precious and semi-precious gems. Now let's discuss worksheet. Choose the correct answer. Pakistan has reserves of oil. Huge, little, no. Little is the answer. High quality coal has been discovered in Suitarbaden. Thar is the answer. Natural gas is used as raw material to make bricks, poetry, or fertilizer. Fertilizer is the answer. India has the dash largest reserves of coal in the world. ये सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ और फोर्थ हमने जैसे बुक में पढ़ा है. He dash as the largest reservoirs of oil in the world. Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan. Saudi Arabia इसका आंसर होगा. Pakistan produced cubic meter of gas in 2007. 41 million इसका आंसर होगा. 21 million है, 15 million और 41 million. Natural gas turns into under pressure liquid gas or solid. Liquid इसका आंसर होगा. The salt ranges in dash as huge deposits of rock side. Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab. Punjab is the answer. Beryl is the non-metallic mineral used in construction, jewelry, oil refining. Jewelry इसका आंसर होगा. Pakistan produces more than India. Oil, coal, or natural gas. Natural gas is the answer. Question number 2, worksheet. State the unit of measurement for each of the following. Oil is measured in barrels. Natural gas is measured Diamonds are measured in carats. बेटा, जो अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, ये आप ऑक्सफोर्ड्स बुक ऑफ एटलस, ये आप इसका पेज नंबर 28 खोल लें ताकि उसकी मदद से आप ये कर सकेंगे. रेफर टू एटलस पेज 28 फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन. इसमें आप देख लें इस मैप के अंदर जो ग्रीन ट्राई एंगल है, ये रेफर टू ऑयल है, और रेड ट्राई एंगल ये गैस इंडिकेट कर रही है. तो इसमें 3 कॉलम बने हुए हैं, ऑयल, कोल और नेचुरल गैस के. और सबसे पहले आप ट्राई एंगल को देखेंगे, ग्रीन ट्राई एंगल जो ऑयल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. तो आपने इसमें इसको लिखेंगे मंगला नियर कोहाट, मैकोरी नियर बन्नू. ऑयल में लिखेंगे आप कादरपुर नियर रहीम यार खान, और जम जम नियर हैदराबाद, ये आप ऑयल के कॉलम में लिखेंगे. फिर आप कोल के कॉलम में आ जाएं. मकरवाल नियर मियावाली, डेंडोट पेंट नियर मियावाली, मच नियर कोयटा, शंडा नियर मीरपुर खास. अब नेचुरल गैस का आप देख लें, पीर को नियर रहीम यार खान, बिट नियर हैदराबाद, मोरी डीप नियर सखर, सवान नियर नवाब शाह. Try to solve beta. Name any two main roles of Pakistan. ये आप नाम लिखकर भेजेंगे 2 मिनरल्स के, ताकि आपके अटेंडेंस लग सकेगी. आप इसमें से कोई भी लिख सकते हो, कोल लिख सकते हो, नेचुरल गैस लिख सकते हो, ऑयल लिख सकते हो. तो जो आप मिनरल्स में से जो आप लिख के भेजेंगे ताकि आपकी अटेंडेंस लग सकेगी. आज का लेक्चर जो है इसका अख्ताम होता है. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.